That's the Broadway cast of The Lion King, surprising some New York subway riders with an impromptu performance, and some didn't even seem impressed. Check out these faces. The show is the first Broadway musical to bank $1 billion, and worldwide it has earned $5 billion. And this isn't the first time the show has randomly broke out in song. The Lion King Australia cast back in April surprised passengers on a Virgin plane.